Reverend Steve, keeping it simple. We're going to be in Revelation 13, verse 3 today. And we talk about the beast, what it looks like, what incorporates the beast. Three different kingdoms incorporate the beast. We talk about that. We talk about Satan gives authority to this beast. And basically, what he's doing is giving authority to fight the church or Christians, because that's God's kingdom, right? On earth. We are. We are his ambassadors on earth. And when this all takes place and this whole world falls apart, a new world order is going to, and we see it coming about us right now. We're living through it. We're living through that forming of this beast right now. Something's going to happen. A wound happens. John describes the beast, and then a wound. He sees a head with a wound. So as this beast is forming, as we see today, something happens. And I've described that in other teachings, that I believe that wound goes with the fall of Babylon, the harlot that sits on the world. I think that is the same thing as this speaks about. So this is three events, and I want to lay that out, the three events. So you have the harlot falling, matches with this, with the head being wounded. This also matches with Daniel 7, with the three horns plucked up, and one comes up. That's all this is speaking about. It's speaking about the same event. And once you put that little puzzle pieces together, you cannot not see it anymore. And it's quite amazing. So let's read this. I saw that one of the heads of the beast seemed wounded beyond recovery. So this beast is wounded. Okay? Not just one of the heads, all the heads are wounded. This beast is basically wounded beyond recovery. Let's read what happens. But the fatal wound was healed. So just think about some major catastrophe happens on this earth. The harlot is destroyed, right? And then the world, what's ever left, comes together very quickly. Otherwise, they'll lose control. They'll come very quickly together and rebuild. That's what I believe this is laying out here. As we know, these, as the angel tells Daniel, these represent the beasts represent nations. So that comes together. They have to stay together, or they'll fall apart. So they come together, and they're given great authority from Satan himself. It's quite amazing. So let's read on. The fatal wound was healed. The whole world marveled. So think about some great catastrophe that happens. And the world comes together and marvels about the beast, that it survived it. Survived this event that happens. That is quite amazing. That's what this is talking about. And I see it. And it's quite amazing when God gives you some insight.